Hi, this is Art with OCRV in Yorba Linda, California. Hey, we're excited today. We've got a brand new Rivian electric EDV Amazon Prime van on this alignment rack here that we've just installed. So we've been on this journey for about 8 months with Rivian to get certified with all their new EDV products, which is really cool. We've been real heavy in the Sprinter, Ford van service industry for RVs, Class Bs, and commercial use. And so this is just another step for us. But what's really cool with the Rivian program is these vehicles are very high tech, and we've really had to stretch and do a lot of training and add a lot of equipment to become a Rivian certified collision repair center and service center. So we've got all new, brand new four-wheel electronic four-wheel alignment measuring system, which is great because now we can offer that to the rest of our shop and all our customers. We can also now align Class A RVs and bigger vehicles as well with this equipment. And along with that, these new vehicles have cameras and sensors and all kinds of things on them, which is all ADAS. And so we've also purchased and we are training on the ADAS system, which several vehicles are using that now, but Amazon as well with their new EDV program with Rivian. So if you've got any commercial vans you'd love to have repaired, we're here to help you. Come on down to OCRV, give us a call, check out our website, OCRVcenter.com, and we're happy to help. Thank you.